popping, guys? Welcome back to Christopher Corinthian again, guys. This is the latest YouTube channel ever, guys. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get notification when I post video, guys. So today I'm going to talk about how to make a dubstep track just by using some hairdressing equipment, guys. So let's get started, guys. Let's get it! Dubstep has a lot of sounds like bass, low bass, sub bass, all that. So I have this one, the hair blower. When I press it, it's like it's just a sound like that. But if I press and I blow from the behind, it will sound like this. We need to have some leads, some growl or some synth in this dubstep music, so I have this one. If you switch it on, it sounds like this. But if you put your hand right here, alright, on top of the blades, it will sound like this. If you want to make a complete dubstep song, so you need to have these equipments and turn them on. In order to make your second verse sounds different, you need to move your hands like this while turning them on. Alright? So remember to put your hand right here and turn it on, and turn this on while blowing it. So here it is. Alright, guys, so those are the steps to make a dubstep track by using hairdressing equipment, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, you learned something today, and smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and remember to share it to your friends, your family, your pets, your dogs, your ducks, your giraffe, your crocodile, your alligator, your mouse. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. As always, peace.